Hi there. Today what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to get to email without having to come to staff resources because we're going to remove this one here. So basically the easiest way to get to email is to basically click on this little plus tab up here, this plus, and right there is Gmail. That's the easiest way to get there. You can, once you're in Gmail, you can take this link and you can pull it down into um, it looks like I've got some here. I got it. But you can pull this down and put it on your bookmarks bar. So you can put it down here and you have it automatically in there. The other way to get to Gmail is to click on the button and just type in gmail.com, and that'll take you to the exact same place we were at. So those are two easy ways to get to your Gmail without having to navigate to staff resources. Thank you.